it's Rebecca Balouf here from Prime Beauty, and I'm going to show you the solution to one of the biggest problems that we face, women over 50, with our makeup coverage. It's our coverage kit. So here's what we have. This is our dark spot lifter, and I'm talking about brown spots. I've got a whole hyperpigmentation area, so I'm going to use my big pore perfecting brush, and this is an orange product, and that is for a very good purpose. To cover brown, we have to basically correct it. Now I'm just applying it with my larger brush in the area where I have an issue with dark spots. Okay, so the beauty of this product is you can get that dark spot coverage, and then you're not dealing with lighter grayish areas. I've got a smaller brush. If you have smaller areas, I'm just gonna walk you through that, but that's what this spot corrector brush is for. Also, this product is ideal right under the eyes. It's ophthalmologist tested. Using my spot coverage brush, just a little here, a little there, cover anything. This little area here I like to cover that you don't get with those big brushes. Now, because this is a full coverage product, which is very necessary to cover your brown spots, we're gonna need some powder. So I've got my Invisible Pore Perfection powder, and it's invisible because we don't want our powder to be heavy and cakey and dry. That just makes us look old. So we're gonna use the same brush, the Pore Perfecting brush. I like to kind of swirl it. And what we're looking for here is a more poreless appearance. So that powder is doing double duty of giving us more of a poreless appearance, but it's actually really setting that dark spot lifter too. We're done, and I hope you enjoy being in your prime. We've got all the solutions for you here at Prime Beauty, and I'll see you on the next video.